To use Apple Pay at Walgreens. Start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a valid credit or debit card added to your wallet app. Open the wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and add a card if you have not already done so. Once you have a card added, go to a Walgreens store and proceed to the checkout counter with the items you wish to purchase. Let the cashier know that you would like to pay using Apple Pay. Look for the contactless payment terminal at the checkout counter, which is usually marked with the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol. To pay using your iPhone, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. Then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal until you see a check mark and hear a beep, indicating that the payment has been successful. To pay using your Apple Watch, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. Then hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal until you see a check mark and hear a beep, or feel a tap on your wrist. After the payment has been processed, the cashier will provide you with a receipt to confirm the transaction. Make sure to review the receipt to ensure that the payment was successful and that the correct amount was charged. Using Apple Pay at Walgreens is a convenient and secure way to make payments. And by following these steps, you can easily pay for your purchases using your iPhone or Apple Watch. Remember to always keep your device and card information up to date and secure to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.